In primetime news this evening, resource constraints affecting service delivery at Bustamante Children's Hospital.
Royal St. Negril protest triggers concern about staff welfare at other hotels.
And home ownership joy for dozens of residents in St. James. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, there's an interesting development in the sugar industry. Money Musk is set to open in a few months. I'll have that and more in the Business Day.
Looking forward to hear that. Jermaine Brown is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thanks, Anthony. I tell you what, there's no horsing around at Cayman Park. Suspensions have been handed down following the abandonment of races on Heroes Day. I'll tell you more a bit later on.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, do you think trade unions are still relevant in Jamaica? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.